Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how can we create a button or fill effect using Elementor and CSS. So let me show you the demo here. So here you can see a simple button and here you can see the button or effect fill from left to right. Here you can see right to left and here top to bottom and here bottom to top and here you can see ripple effect from center, something like this. So let me show you how can we create these kind of button or effects using Elementor. So let me show you step by step. I will go to my Elementor page here. Here I will go to widgets and here search for a button. I will insert a button here and then I will change the text here. I will make it get a code. After that, I will go to the style tab. I will make the position here center. I will go to the typography and here I will change the font family from Roboto to Inter. And then I will make the font size here something like 18 pixels. And then I will make the line height here something like 15, or let me just make it 14. After that, I will go to the text color here. I will make the text color here white. And background type, I will change the color something like this that I have showed you in the demo. And after that, I will go to the over section here. I will make the text color here white. Background type, I will just make the background type for this button here transparent. And then I will make the border color here something like this. And after that, I will make the over animation here. I will search for a float here. Here you can see the float section here. And here, let me just make the text color here something like this. Now you can see. And here, let me just go to the border type here. I will make it solid. And the border width, I will make it 1. The border radius, let me just make it 8. I think 8 is good. And then here in the padding section, I will make it 25 from top and 25 from bottom, 50 from right and 50 from left, something like this. Here you can see the float effect as well. Let me show you how can we create now button over effects. So I will duplicate same as it is. Here you can see. And then I will go to the advanced here. And after that, I will go to the custom CSS here. I will just copy my code and I will paste it here. Let me just copy my code. I will copy the code and I will go back to my site and I will paste it here. And then I will just copy this class button effect 4. I will go to the layout and here I will insert it into CSS class. So now you can see from left to right. And here you can see the text color is black. So let me just make the color here white as well. So here you can see now. And after that, let me show you how can we make the button over effect from right to left. So I will use the same color, same code. So I will just duplicate this one here. And then I will copy my code. And then I will paste it inside of custom CSS for this button. Let me just go back to advanced tab, custom CSS. And let me just paste the code. Let me just go to the layout. I will just copy this class and I will paste it inside of my class. So I will make it 1. So here you can see from right to left. So I will show you now top to bottom and bottom to top. So I will go back again. I will copy my code. Let me just copy my code and I will insert it inside of this button. So let me just duplicate this button and let me just copy my code again and then I will go to the advanced tab here. I will go to the custom CSS and I will paste it here, and I will just go to the layout and I will change the class here. Here you can see, same as it is, I will duplicate this button here again, and then I will go back again and copy my code, and then I will paste it inside of this button. I will go to the advanced tab, custom CSS, and I will just paste this code, and I will copy this class. I will go to the layout here, and then I will change my class. So here you can see, here, and then I will show you the last one that I showed you here from center. Let me just duplicate this code, and let me go back and let me copy my code for this circular ripple effect, and I will go back here again, and I will go to the advanced tab here. I will go to the custom CSS, and I will paste this code here again, and I will just copy this class. I will go to the layout here, and I will paste it here. So now you can see here, and here. So let me just show you the code here. Let me just go to the custom CSS here. So here you can see the transform origin is from left. So if you want to make it, just change it from here. Let me just make it right. So here you can see right. So now it's right, same as it is with this one. So you don't need to paste the code again and again for this piece. You can change it yourself. So just go to the code and transform origin. Just make it here left, for example. So here you can see left. So if you want to make it top here, so here you can see from inside it's going something like this, and something like if you want to make it from bottom, here you can see here. So let me just show you this code here, the transform origin. So let me just go to the custom CSS here. So here you can see the transform origin is bottom. So just change this section here, and you will get the effect from top to bottom, bottom to top, left to right. It's totally up to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section.